Hi, this is the third day Nifty ended in the green. It gapped up by 50 points, opened at 14,816 and closed at 14,810, marginally in the green by 0.58%. And Bank Nifty opened at 33,000 and went up till 33,250 and came down to 32,800 and closed at around 32,860. So Bank Nifty moved around 450 points today, and we can say it was a calm day for Bank Nifty. Usually Bank Nifty moves 1500 points in one trading session, and 400 points move is no big deal. And if you see the open interest, there was a significant put rating in 14,800 and there was call rating in 15,200. And on weekly, if you see, the maximum open interest is at 15,000 call and 14,500 put. And if you see the chart closely, there is a doji candlestick formed on the daily chart, which tells there could be a reversal in short term and the market may reverse, and we have to wait for that confirmation. Anyway, we have been telling for the past few days 15,000 is going to be a good resistance. If 15k is taken out, then we can see Nifty touching new highs, and the metals are the main reason for this momentum, and there was no support from Reliance Industries as well. Now Nifty has to hold above 14,700 zone for the markets to move higher towards 15,000 levels, and on the downside support is seen at 14,700 and 14,500 levels. And all this is happening because of RBI decision and positive global sentiment and positive US markets. Locally, if you see, India is really in a bad shape, and we are touching record highs in COVID infections, and we are not done yet. Going forward, we will be having very bad news. And if you see the advance decline ratio, 986 stocks advance and 736 stocks decline. And looking at the market, I strongly believe Nifty may not touch 15,000. I may be wrong. Let's see what happens. And India VIX also helped us today, came down by 5%, and it helped us a lot. And today was the best day for putting some iron fly or iron condor or any other strategies for the 12th May expiry. 13th May is a trading holiday due to Ramadan, and whatever hedge strategy if deployed today, you could have got out by Monday with a decent profit. We have done iron fly in weekly options, and we will exit the trade on Monday with a decent profit. And look at the option chain. Today morning 14,500 put was trading at 45 rupees, and we had sold naked puts. Monday morning we will exit, and even if the market gaps down, we will exit with maybe small loss, and if market gaps down by 300 points, then we will see what we can do. It's already in profit only. 14,500 naked put which we sold are trading at around 39.38 last traded price, and with only 3 more trading sessions, that's Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Theta is going to help you make a good profit. These are some of the opportunities that market gives us, and we have to fully use them whenever we find one, and of course with a risk in it. And I haven't got the FII data. We'll see. We'll wait and see. Hopefully there will be not any big FII figures. Let's see what happens on Monday. And now let's go into the mock trade which we have taken. As I told yesterday, we did a iron condor, right? What we did is we sold 14,000 put on 12th May expiry, and 13,900 put on 12th May expiry, and 15,000 call on 12th May expiry, and 15,100 call on 12th May expiry, all at same expiry date but different strike. So this is a iron condor. And today morning what I did is I sold extra 2 lots 14,500 puts. Now what was my thinking? See, market has gapped down. Market is really in a bullish mode. Global market is in a positive mode. There are only 3 more trading sessions. So there are possibilities Nifty can touch 15,000. If it touches on Monday, there is going to be a premium erosion in both calls and put. Then we are not going to make adjustment. Of course we can make adjustment, but adjustment is going to be tough. Tough in the sense you will have to spend more for the adjustment since the premium are very low. So what I did is I sold 2 lots of 14,500 put today morning at around 41 rupees for this mock trade. So once I did that, this trade is looking something like this. So it has become it is equivalent to a normal call or put. Yeah. So on Monday, if market doesn't gap downs, or if the market even gaps up, we are going to be in profit. Let me show you. Yeah, on 10th May, if nothing happens and market gaps up slightly, or even if it gaps down slightly, we will be in profit only. We'll be in good profit. Yeah, maybe say if market gaps down by 100 points also, we'll be in profit. Market gaps up by 100 points, we'll be in excellent profit. The profit will start to erode when the market touches 15,000. I don't know whether if you are able to see this, there is a brown line and a blue line, right? Yeah, I hope you see that. So that blue line is going to shrink and it is going to sync with the brown line as and when the expiry nears. So what I am trying to say is, when you cross 15,000, that is the optimal time to exit this trade. You will be in good profit. So that is the let me 1 second. Around 15,100 levels. After 15,100, your profit is going to come down. So once it reaches 15,000, it is optimal time to exit the trade. If let's say if you had not taken this trade, of course you will be in loss. You can do the max. How much you will be in loss, I will tell you. You will be in a loss of 3,600. And after doing this, after I added this call, you are in a profit of 2493. Now you may ask one more question: what about the downside? Of course there is a problem. If it is on the downside, as I told you, if it crosses till 14,500, there will be no issues. Once you reach 14,500, we will have to do one more adjustment. And I'm honestly telling, I cannot explain you now. When that happens, I will do the adjustment and tell you how it works, what adjustment we are doing. So it is as simple as that. We just use the theta decay to gain in this trade. That's it. Nothing much. Very simple trade. So I hope you understand this one. And the break even is if the market is till 14,447, we don't have any problem. After 14,400, we are having problem. We will try to manage that, as I told you. And the funds needed for this is around 3.2 lakhs. And maximum profit is around 7.8 thousand. The maximum premium which you have collected is going to be your maximum profit. So let's see how things pan out. Monday, hopefully market should be in the green. I think so. Let's see. 15,000 should be a 15,000 should be a good support resistance. I am telling it again and again because I have some calls written on naked calls written on 15. I want the market to go down. So that's the reason maybe I am telling 15,000 is a good resistance. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye.